Okay, I've started editing this already to help you along. I moved your views over to the right. I changed the grid pattern to isometric. I'm thinking at this point you haven't watched my video how to do that. So right click on the grid, set your grid snap to isometric, change your snap to 1.125, and turn off adaptive grid. Be sure your model space is checked. I drew a rectangle representing the 2.9 by 3.5 inch face of that object. Now I'm going to draw the ellipse. So I'll just go to line and attach to the midpoint, and I'll move up 1 inch. This is just for construction. And then I'll go to ellipse. You need to type the command EL, enter, and then choose ISO circle as your option. It'll draw isometric circle, they call it. Specify the center. I'll turn on snap for a moment to grab the end point. And then we need half of the diameter that's showing over here, 1.15. So we need half of that. So an easy way to do that is to type apostrophe CAL, enter, to turn on your calculator, and divide 1.15 by 2. Or you can just click on your calculator and do it, or you can do it in your head. Then we need to project this out. It looks like 0.75. So I'll go to line and attach to the center. Change my axis so that it'll go in the depth direction, and point out and go 0.75. Okay, and that'll determine where I put the ellipse for that pin that's sticking out there. Whoops. Ellipse, ISO circle, attach, flip. There we go. And it doesn't remember, okay, the radius. Okay, so apostrophe CAL, enter, 1.15 divided by 2. Okay, and that'll get the front of that. Now I need to attach lines to the tangency point. So to do that, we'll turn on, we'll go to line command, and tangency won't work. Say shift, right click, and tangent. Doesn't work on an ellipse. Okay, only works on circles. So to create a line here to represent the outside edge of that pin, we have to attach, let's see if the quadrant works. Line, so yes, the quadrant will work. On this ellipse. Some angle ellipses it will not. Okay, and that gets that one. Line, QUA. And you can of course grab your quadrant, your snaps over here. I'm an old keyboard guy. Alright, then we do a little trim work. So I'll just do a trim all. And since I didn't put it on a construction layer, erase that. And that'll get the isometric view of that pin. I don't think that this pin on the back side will show. It might, just a little bit of it. So you'll need to draw it and then see it, and you draw it out completely and see if any of it sticks out past the back side or back edge of the plate. So email me if you have any other questions.